The perfect pan for roasting turkey is essential for achieving that coveted golden brown perfection and ensuring even cooking. Invest in quality to elevate your roasting game, and stay tuned as we introduce you to the top 5 pans for roasting turkey in this video, your key to a flawless Thanksgiving feast. Make sure to check the video description below for additional information and click the links to easily purchase the products you love. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's find your perfect match. Number 1. All-Clad Covered Oval Roaster. With its impressive 20-pound capacity, this stainless steel marvel is perfect for hosting grand gatherings or crafting sumptuous meals. Crafted with precision, the heavy-gauge polished stainless steel ensures durability and even heat distribution. Versatility meets convenience as this roaster seamlessly transitions from stovetop to oven, including induction stovetops, providing flexibility in your cooking journey. Maneuvering this culinary gem is a breeze, thanks to the large loop handles that offer effortless control. The pressure release on the lid ensures easy removal, enhancing your cooking experience. Included in this package is a stainless steel rack with lifting handles, elevating your roasting game by facilitating the removal of large foods with ease. Elevate your holiday feasts or special occasions with the best pan for roasting turkey. Join us in exploring the world of exquisite roasting with the All-Clad Covered Oval Roaster. Click the link in the description to bring this culinary masterpiece into your kitchen and make your roasting adventures truly exceptional. Number 2. Cuisinart Multiclad Pro Roasting Pan. The professional triple-ply construction boasts a core of pure aluminum bonded to a stainless interior, ensuring unparalleled heat distribution along the bottom and sidewalls, a true game-changer in your kitchen. Crafted for premium cooking, the stainless steel cooking surface maintains its integrity, resisting discoloration, reaction with food, and flavor alterations. The solid stainless steel rack enhances your culinary creations, allowing heat to circulate while ensuring your meat or poultry drains seamlessly as it cooks. Experience exceptional handling with cool grip handles, solid stainless steel riveted handles that remain cool on the stovetop, providing a safe and secure grip throughout your cooking journey. Cleanup is a breeze with its dishwasher-safe design, offering effortless maintenance after your culinary triumphs. Backed by a lifetime warranty, the Cuisinart Multiclad Pro Roasting Pan is a beacon of quality and durability. Revolutionize your roasting game by clicking the link in the description to make this exceptional pan yours and embark on a journey of culinary excellence. Number 3. Made in Blue Carbon Steel Roasting Pan. Crafted with precision and designed for perfection, this roasting pan ensures an unparalleled cooking experience that will elevate your homemade roasts to new heights. Experience superior heat retention thanks to carbon steel's unique properties, allowing you to create succulent and flavorful roasts every time. The roasting pan's high walls and curved edges contribute to perfect heat distribution, ensuring an evenly cooked masterpiece. Developed in collaboration with Chef Tom Colicchio, this roasting pan is a testament to the expertise of culinary professionals. Its versatility shines as you can seamlessly transition between your home oven and outdoor grill for multi-surface cooking. Proudly crafted by artisans in France from premium metals, this roasting pan exemplifies the highest quality, professional-grade cookware. Don't miss out on the opportunity to bring the essence of French craftsmanship into your kitchen. Click the link in the description to make the Made in Blue Carbon Steel roasting pan an essential part of your culinary arsenal today. Number 4. Hestan Classic Roasting Pan. This tri-ply marvel features an ultra-conductive aluminum core, perfect for sauce reductions, deglazing, searing, and crafting gravy directly on the stovetop. Admire the elegant brushed finish both inside and out, complemented by polished stainless steel handles that give this roasting pan a table-ready aesthetic. The innovative flush rivets on the ergonomic handles make cleaning a breeze, ensuring this pan is as easy to maintain as it is to use. Take your roasting to new heights with the stainless steel V-shaped rack designed to elevate meat, poultry, and other culinary creations for fast and even cooking. Whether it's a casual weeknight dinner or a festive holiday feast, the Hestan Classic Roasting Pan is your trusted companion in the kitchen. Provisions is dishwasher safe, and any stains or residue can be easily handled with the powder version of Barkeeper's Friend and a soft scrubber. Don't miss the chance to add this culinary gem to your kitchen arsenal. Click the link in the description to make the Hestan Classic Roasting Pan yours today. Number 5. Anolon Triply Clad Roasting Pan. The durable 3-ply construction boasts an aluminum core nestled between layers of stainless steel, ensuring excellent heat distribution up the sides of the roasting pan. Experience effortless roasting with the non-stick roasting rack, thoughtfully equipped with handles for easy lifting of meats. The polished stainless steel exterior not only exudes sophistication, but also guarantees easy cleaning. The comfortable stainless steel handles are dual riveted for strength, providing a secure grip for confident cooking. This brilliant roasting pan is not only an aesthetic asset to your kitchen, but also a high-performing workhorse. Oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. It can handle the heat of any culinary creation. Plus, for added convenience, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. For a seamless culinary experience, this large rectangular roaster pairs seamlessly with other cookware pieces in the Anolon collections. Don't miss the chance to enhance your roasting game. Click the link in the description to make the Anolon triply clad roasting pan an integral part of your kitchen arsenal today. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through the world of shopping. Make sure to check the video description for any additional resources and links to purchase your favorite products. Stay tuned for more expert reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest and greatest. Until next time, happy shopping and may you always find your perfect match.